Hi, I'm Vineet Sharma. I'm teaching IBDP math from past 10 years, and this is the most awaited video which I'm thinking to upload, which differentiate between the two main branches of diploma program of mathematics, that is analysis and approaches and application and interpretation. Now, whenever a student start a DP journey from IGCSE or MYP or any curriculum of secondary course, they always in a dilemma where to go, either start AA or go for AI. So let's discuss in detail about these two courses. When we think about analysis and approaches, it is more analytical based. It is more about problem solving. It is more about how you know mathematics from the core of your heart, how you can deal with mathematics, how you can develop new skills, how good you are in making conjecture, making some decisions and coming out with a solution. So it is more about solving, how you can solve a mathematical problem. It develop a strong skills in mathematical thinking, real and abstract mathematical problem solving for student interested in mathematics, engineering, physical science, or any kind of discoveries which we are looking for, which we want to help for science. You must choose for analysis and approaches. On the other hand, if your idea is to go for AI, means you would like to go for application part. That is the application part. I have faced a lot of students, those who chose economics, business management, they try for AI because they would like to apply AI in interdisciplinary approach. They would like to apply this concept of application and interpretation in other subjects as well. Sometime when I read mathematical IA or physics IA, they resembles the exploration, they resemble because the approach is almost similar. When we go for AI, we are looking for developing strong skills in applying mathematics in real world problem, real mathematical problem solving by using technology. Now this is most important. Technology plays a very important role when we talk about application and interpretation. You are allowed to use your graphic display calculator in all the exams of AI. On the other hand, if I talk about AA, you can use your graphic display calculator only in paper 2 and paper 3. Paper 1, it is strictly prohibited. It's not allowed. Even in AI, you can think about going for medicine, for business, for some economics, as I said, or some psychological things or design, because AI, the backbone is statistics, and for AA, the backbone is calculus. So you need to keep these things in mind. If I go for breakdown of the subject for AA and AI, unit wise, we have 5 units: numbers and algebra, functions, calculus, statistics and probability, and geometry and trigonometry. All the two courses, both the courses have all 5 units common, but the requirement of the unit is different, which you'll understand when you go across the course. If we go for the career option, and if I relate those career option with the math course, this is the most important thing. If you are going for science, technology and engineering, you can choose for math AA, and even you can choose AI, but AA will give you more scope for engineering, because higher engineering mathematics, if you go ahead and if you see the book, the content of higher engineering mathematics, it is more towards an analysis and approaches. But if you want to go for PhD in mathematics, then too AA is appropriate option. If you want to try social sciences, psychology, business, design, natural science, then AI is more suitable. If you want to go for pure mathematics, again you should try for AA. More or less, if you look in the specs of science, how to go ahead, then AA is a good umbrella for you. But if you are looking for the aspect of a business or economics or psychology or medicines, then AI is a good option. The math is for the student interested in math, engineering, as I said, and AI is for social sciences, natural sciences and all. Now, generally speaking, AA provide you a classical approach to mathematics. If you are eager to dive deeper into math things, like most of the students who write extended essay, they belongs to AA. But on the other hand, if you would like to solve some real life problems related to math, then AI is the best option for you, because it is application part. It will interpret your results. And most of the time when we go for AI, the requirement of an examiner in AI is whatever is the result of your graphic display calculator on the display, you can mention that result. Okay, I did it by graphic display calculator. The reasoning is not that much important. The mathematical approach is not that much matters in AI. You can explain that I got this result from my GDC, that's why this is my result. So that's a good option about AI if you are not good in solving. Now, frequently asked question which I always encounter in pre-DP courses, that which is easier, math AA or AI. So in my way, both are having different, different requirements. In AA, the requirement is less use of calculator. In AI, the requirement is calculator. You cannot deal with AI problems without GDC. And AI problems are not direct problems. It's always, tweaked problem. It's always mingled with other discipline of subjects, other subjects. While in AI, you can get a straight question. You can get a direct math question. The which math, AA, AI, HL, SL is best for the career. Now it depends on which university you are choosing, which course you are opting. So it's better to concern with your career counselor, and then you should choose for AA or AI. For more details, if you want more things, if you have some more questions, you can put comment on the chat and I'll reply to those questions. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you. Have a nice day. All the best. Bye-bye.